Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can edit or delete any custom field which you have created for the document. So first of all, you need to go in settings module. On your left hand side in the very bottom, you will see settings module. Please click on this. Now, once you will come in settings module, you need to go in documents, and here you will find option of document fields. Click on this. Now, here you need to make the selection that on which document you have already added a custom field. So in my case, I have already created a custom field for sales invoice. I will select sales invoice. So these are all the custom fields which are added for the sales invoice. Now in this, I want to make any changes or I need to delete it. So how I can do it? So you will find three dot in your right hand side. If your screen is a little zoomed, so you need to just scroll a little to the right, and here you will find three dot. After clicking on three dot, you will get two option: edit and delete. So click on edit. Now, once you will click on edit, the entire custom field which you have created format will get opened in front of your screen. Here you can make the changes in name, you can use the fetch from, or you can just make it mandatory as well. And also you can fill the description. Then after, you need to click on save. So once you will click on save, your custom field edit have been done and the changes will get reflected. Also, you can use the delete option in order to delete the custom field. Do remember that only few details in the custom file can be edited. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while editing or deleting any custom field. Have a good day ahead.